Okay, it's Saturday the 9th, and I'm not 100% sure what time it is exactly, but I do know that it's almost dark, which means it's probably about 5:30-ish, almost 6, somewhere in that neighborhood. I got 3 pieces of this flooring down, and that little snippet that you seen previous was where I've got the floor joists in on the 12-foot section. I got all but one joist in over here on the 24-foot section, and I put a couple posts here and there on it to help shore it up a little bit. And it rained Thursday pretty much all day long, and Thursday afternoon it kind of sort of turned to a real light snow flurry, but nothing really, no accumulation. You could see it, but that was about it. Temperature wise over here, it's been in the 30s, maybe 1 or 2 degrees Celsius, and nighttime it's been dropping down into the 20s, which I think that's like what, 4, maybe -4, something like that, Celsius. And today it got all the way up to 44 degrees, which is I think about what, 9, 10, maybe 11 degrees Celsius. And Monday, one of my days off, I got Mondays and Tuesdays. Monday, they're calling for snow flurries and chance of rain. And I think they said the highs should be in the mid 30s, something like that, 34, 35. And yeah, it's slowly coming along. I think that you've already seen the slide presentation I put on there. Went and ordered about $900 worth of materials. I got a patio door instead of getting a great big giant window to put in the bedroom. I figured that would probably be a little bit better than a great big giant window and then having to put another door. With patio door, I kind of sort of killed 2 birds with 1 stone. I got 4 windows. 2 of them's like 2 foot by 2 foot, and I can't remember for sure the measurements on the other. They're a little bit tiny, a little bit more bigger, and I'll probably put the bigger ones in the living room and put the 2 smaller ones, the 2 foots, in the kitchen. I'm gonna try to put another window in the bedroom. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on the end looking to the south or the end looking to the west. Still trying to make my decision there. I am later on going to build a little tiny extension off the back of this for a little room for toilet and a little tiny sink. It'll be about 4 foot wide, but about 8 foot long is what I'm figuring. And I got a little tiny porta-john down over the hill that I used on the sailboat that I can bring up and put in it for that. And no, it's just the way the weather's been. It's kind of been slow going. And today, I think, was the first day that I've actually been able to get up here and do any kind of substantial work to it. Usually by the time I get home from work, I might only have about an hour or 2 of daylight left. So I still have yet to cut that locust tree down. And I almost just about did that today. I might do that next time I'm up here with the chainsaw. And that way it's out of the road. Because as you can see, right where it's at, I've got put a piece of flooring in here on it, and it's kind of sort of in the way. Much as I hate cutting it down, of course, you know that, but You know, it's kind of, whenever I put the porch on there, it's going to be in the way. Let's just put it that way. And of course, I've still got the decent view. And I'm going to cover this that I got done up with plastic. That way it ain't getting wet if it should happen to rain between now and next chance I get to get up here to try to finish this out. My intentions is getting this 24-foot section floored and then trying to build the walls for it. That way I've got that much, and then get the sheeting put around it and the stuff to do the roof on it. So like I said, it's slowly coming along, just not as fast as what I'd like. Of course, you know, been up here too by myself. Of course, Dad, he come out last Monday whenever I got all that material and helped me bring most of it up here, and the flooring and stuff we put downstairs in the other garage down over the hill. So I've got my shoes off, and where I've been up here traipsing around in mud, and that way I ain't getting mud all over this flooring. So I'm gonna get off of here, wrap this up, and get my plastic laid down, get down over the hill and gather my laundry and stuff up, grab me a shower, and get ready for bed, because I gotta go to work early tomorrow again. So of course they've been having me working outside in the rain and everything, and while I've been driving there's no cover over it, so I've pretty much been working in a rain suit, which is part of it's what I got for my motorcycle, and then I got a regular rain jacket and stuff. But it's rough. Tried to talk them into getting a cover put on what I've been driving out there, but we can't seem to find one. And of course, though, too, they say the owners will say no to it. So, you know, it's the old saying, darn if you do, darn if you don't. So I'll get this wrapped up. I don't know how well you can see it, so I'm going to preview it before I put it on there, because it's pretty dark up here. So I will talk to you later. Bye.